masterpiece. And now, for our short message, Brother George Rivera. Yes!
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Magandang hapon naman. Good afternoon, everyone. And happy 18th birthday, Sister Honey. As you enter in this new chapter, know that your work is rooted in being a daughter of God, wonderfully and beautifully created. As the scripture says in Psalms 139, verse 14. The 18th birthday is a celebration, is a highly anticipated milestone in the lives of our young people. It is the end and beginning. It is the end of one's childhood and the beginning of adulthood. What does it mean to become an adult? To become an adult is the point in life of which Western culture bestows young people with most of the rights they will enjoy for the rest of their lives. These include voting, complete independence from parental control, moving about without restriction, curfews, choosing friends and partners of whom the parents may not approve. Making your own decision. In short, adulthood means freedom. Multitudes of young people want freedom. They want to be free. But what does freedom means? The word defines freedom as the license to do whatever they want. But God's definition of freedom is totally different from His word. His definition from freedom is the ability to do whatever is right. In 1 Peter says 2:16, live as people who are free, not using your freedom as a cover-up for evil, but living as a servants of God. Therefore, true freedom flows from faithful, your obedience to the will of God, as revealed in His Word. When I was a young kid, and from now, I don't know how to play the piano. Remember this, honey, but I can sing on it with liberty to propound every key, yet lack the freedom to make the beautiful music. Obedience to music and practice are necessary to give me freedom to ability to play the piano. Hence, true freedom is the power to create melody with the law of music. Jesus over us a true freedom. Bibigyan ko lang ng konti yung tungkol sa piano. Dahil, honey, pag gusto mong matuto sa isang mga bagay, kailangan mo obserbahan. Katulad ng piano, hindi mo siya matutugtog yung gusto mong tugtugin dahil hindi mo alam yung mga pyesa. Pero pagka inaral mo yung pyesa, matutugtog mo na maayos dahil ito inaral mo. Meaning, kapag ang buhay mo ay nilagay mo kay Kristo, magiging smooth lahat ang magiging takbo ng iyong buhay. Kaya nga sabi ni Jesus, Jesus offered us a true freedom. Not freedom to sin, but freedom from sin. And to live as God intends, or live the way He wants us to live, which is solely possible by His grace. God without a man, still God. But man without a God is nothing. As Jesus says in John 15 verse 5, I am the vine, and ye are the branches. For without me, you can do nothing. So my prayer and my wish for you, Sister Honey, is that you entrust every desire of your heart to God, and that He will fulfill all your plans for you. In all your ways, acknowledge Him. Meaning, actively acknowledging God in His sovereignty, wisdom, and presence in every aspect of your life. Rather than relying on your own personal understanding, it involves entrusting your daily decisions and plans and action to Him, which promises divine guidance and correction in your path. Once again, happy 18th birthday and God bless you.